Students, once again, welcome to the YouTube channel of Monbretia School. Myself Nazni, your EVS teacher, and I am taking your EVS class in class 4. So today, again, we will just go through our class. Okay. So for that, you must take out your EVS book that we are doing. Okay. So you must take out your EVS book. Today we will finish our chapter. Okay, and take pencil in your hand. So see student, yesterday class I have finished up to here. So today's we will start from here. Good food habits. So you know the what is the meaning of good food habits? Okay, means what are the good habits of food. So we will learn the we will read this point. Okay, so apart from eating healthy food, we must follow some good food habits to stay healthy. So we stay healthy. We have to stay healthy. So for that, you must have to follow some good habits of food. Okay. So what are they? So always wash hands before and after eating and preparing food. So before eating and after eating, you must wash your hand with hand wash, okay, or with soap. Number 2, always eat fresh and properly cooked food. So always you eat fresh and properly cooked food. Do not waste food. You never waste the food. Okay, fruits and vegetables must be washed properly before cooking or eating them raw. So the fruits and vegetables, you whatever we are cooking, so we must, it should be washed properly before cooking and eating them raw. Okay. Number 5, food must be chewed properly. So you must chew the food properly. What is the meaning of chew? That is called the chabana. Okay. Number 6, always keep the food covered, as uncovered food can be contaminated by dust or flies. So always you keep your food covered. Why? Because uncovered foods can be contaminated by dust or flies. Okay, so any types of flies or insects or dust can destroy your food. Okay, so these are the some good food habits. Now come to the journey of food, means how the foods come from, how the food comes, how the food reaches to your table. ठीक है, कैसे फूड्स जो है आपके टेबल तक पहुंचता है. हैव यू एवर इमेजिन दैट थिंग? कभी आप लोगों ने ये चीज़ सोचा है? सो टुडे वी विल नो. ओके, सो हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड हाउ एंड फ्रॉम वेयर फूड रीचेज योर टेबल? सो लेट अस रीड द जर्नी ऑफ फूड फ्रॉम द फार्म टू आवर टेबल. सो इसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, वी विल जस्ट रीड द जर्नी फ्रॉम द फार्म टू आवर टेबल. ओके, farmers, you know the meaning of farmers? Kisan. Farmers cultivate their fields to grow different types of crops. As you know, the farmers are cultivating their fields to grow different types of crops. They plow the soil, adds fertilizers and manure to it. Okay, why they adds fertilizers? Because it acts as a what? It is a means fertilizers are the fertilizers increase the motility rate of the soil. It increases the motility rate of the soil. Okay, and manure to it. Seeds are sown in the soil. Then due to them hard labor, seeds are sown in the soil. Then seeds are sown in the soil and watered regularly, and they watered regularly. Once the crop is ripe, it is harvested, and the crop is ripe, it is harvested. The harvested crop is then packed properly and sent to the mandi. And then this harvested crop packed properly and sent to the mandi. What is the meaning of mandi? That is called the wholesale market. The food is transported in trucks, trains and tractors. And then from mandis, the foods are transported to trucks, trains and tractors and reaches to different places. Okay, from the wholesale wholesale market, this food is brought by the shopkeepers, and from the wholesale markets, this food is brought by the shopkeepers who take it to their shops to sell, who are taking their shops to sell them. These shopkeepers are called the retailers, and the shopkeepers are known as the retailers. So we buy the food stuff from these retailer and cook the food at home. So we are purchasing, or we are buying our foods from this retailer, and then we cook the food at home, and then it reaches our table. So the journey of food, how this journey of food started from the farm and it reaches to our table. So I hope that you all have understood. Okay, your chapter is finished. I hope children you all have understood very well this chapter. But then also, if you are having any types of queries regarding these chapters, you just underline your problems, okay, and underline that sentences. When we are regular in our school, then I hope I will try to solve your problem. Okay, so for today's class, that much only. Now your today's homework is read chapter 3 thoroughly. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.